fire is burning out of control at Beirut's port. And then suddenly, a storehouse full of abandoned ammonium nitrate exploded that day, killing 204 people, injuring 6,500, and leaving 300,000 people homeless. The explosion caused $15 billion in damage. The explosion was equivalent to 1.3 kilotons of TNT and was the sixth largest non-nuclear explosion in history. The warehouse was already being widely filmed when the explosion occurred. The blast was felt more than 240 kilometers away and measured the same as a 3.3 magnitude earthquake. The remote viewing open search protocol can identify impending future world events up to 8 weeks in advance. This is a report of one such open search. The following open search project was conducted from June 19th to the 21st, 2020. It was posted in public June 21st, 2020. There is a bang here which makes me feel shocked, stunned, and also a sense of awe. This stuff rains down below as it drops. It is not subtle. This situation has arisen from a loud, dusty ejection from a crater. There is a high cloudy plume above. Something is settling upon these people. They feel wary, upset, and confused. It is likened to a battle that you cannot win. This situation has arisen from a big, wandering, drifting cloud of pieces high above. The timeline for this open search was proposed to be July 3rd to August 13th, 2020.